For me, Monsoon is incomplete without a plate of a roasted sweet potato. Today, I'm going to show you a tandoori barbecue sweet potato, which is a yogurt marinade filled with Indian spices. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you make this at home. So I'm going to start by making the marinade. This is a 1-bowl yogurt marinade. We start with the base. And to this, we add crushed ginger. Then we add some garlic. Then we add all the dry masala. Some ground cumin, ground coriander, some red chili powder, some turmeric, just a pinch, garam masala, amchur, salt, a pinch of cinnamon, just a bit, because cinnamon and sweet potato go beautifully together. And last but not least, some sesame seeds. So all I need to do is stir it up. Make sure they combine well before you add in your sweet potato. These are already boiled, so they can now soak in the flavors. This is a good recipe to do beforehand. You can cover it and leave it in the fridge for however long you like. So now I'm going to cover it with a foil and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours until I'm ready to grill them. So we're going to start grilling. So start the heat on the pan. So brush some oil onto the pan. So keep it on high heat so the pan heats up faster and it's ready to grill immediately. So take each piece and place it up. So I need to flip it over. So we're done here. I'm going to switch off the heat and start to plate. I'm serving this with a garlic chutney, but you can definitely use a green coriander chutney, a mint chutney, or a peanut sauce. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more such monsoon recipes.